Frontken Corporation Berhad was founded by Wong Hwa Chun and Yo Lei Po in 1996. Unfortunately, both of the co-founder, Mr. Wong and Mr. Yo, was relieved from their position in 2011 and it was replaced by Ng Wai Ping. The company is in the precision engineering industry under the semiconductor sub-value chain. The company provides services such as surface treatment, precision cleaning, and mechanical engineering solution. The company has presence in Malaysia, Singapore, Philippines, Indonesia, and Taiwan. For more information, do visit their website at frontken.com. Before we start, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and tap on the notification bell, and we shall proceed forward.